Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. And so today I would like us to reflect on Luke chapter 10 verses 25 to verse 37. It's one of the most beautiful readings uNkulunkulu asibizela kuyona. And then as we reflect on this reading, let us start in verse 25. And behold, a lawyer stood up to put to Jesus the test. He said to him, Master, what shall I do to inherit eternal life? He said to him, What is written in the law? How do you read it? And he answered, You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, and with all your mind, and with all your might. And you shall love your neighbor as yourself. Then he said to him, You have answered correctly in this, and you will live. But desiring to justify himself, he said to Jesus, Who is my neighbor? And I just want us to look at those verses, 5 verses. The first one is a lawyer standing up to put Jesus to the test. Thandwa zami, ngiyafisa ukuyiqala le ndaba ngokuthi akusiye wonke umuntu osempilweni yakho who is meant or who wishes ukubona uphumelela. Akusiye wonke umuntu osempilweni yakho who is called after God's own heart. Akusiye wonke umuntu osempilweni yakho who is there because they believe in you, they celebrate you, they value you. Akusiye wonke umuntu oseduze kwakho, oseduze komshado wakho, oseduze komndeni wakho. Wothi ngiyibeke mhlambe nangenye indlela lento. Uyabona ubobona uma kunomshado kunabantu abamenyiwe. It's a pity nje ukuthi phela umkhwenyana nomakoti they don't always see ama guest abo emshadweni. But akusiye wonke umuntu osemshadweni who is there to celebrate with you. Khona abanye abasemshadweni abazothi awu usibanibani wangishiya ngempela ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uzothatha bani. Awu usibanibani besitshela ukuthi uzoba nosibanibani sifuna ukubona ke lo muntu amthathile ungcono kanjani kunosibanibani. Yabona uzothuka ukuthi even namanye ama family members and friends are not necessarily supportive of lento oyenzayo. I just want to say akusiye wonke umuntu osondela empilweni yakho who is there to support. Akusiye futhi wonke umuntu who lends a hand, who lends it as a hand that helps. Abanye basuke belula isandla sengcindezi. Akusiye wonke umuntu ophuzisa ngenkomishi ofuna uqeda ukoma kwakho, omunye usuke ekuphuzisa ushevu, the poison. Wait thandwa zami. Ubobuka uma umuntu esesibhedlela. Not every person who visits is there because they want to know about your well-being, because they want you to be out of there. Omunye ulapho ukuze ayobika ukuthi ayi usibanibani ngeke aphile. Ayi usibanibani ngeke asurvive. Akusiye wonke umuntu osondela eduze kwempilo yakho. And I wish we can all know that and see and understand. Akusiye wonke umuntu osondela phe kwempilo yakho who wishes you blessings. Thandwa zami, some people struggle with that and they start asking, but yini ngibenzeni abantu? Hayibo mina ngilunge kanjena. You don't need to be evil in order to be hated by people. Let me even say this differently. You don't need to be evil in order for people to do harm and cause harm to you. Awudingi ukubona. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunento ofaneke ungayikhohlwa uma uyisidalwa esiwumuntu, and lento ikubuntu bethu. Omunye umuntu akajabuleli nje ukuthi wena awukhali. Akajabuleli nje ukuthi wena awuxakekile. Akajabuleli ukuthi wena yonke into uyazenzela. Akajabuliswa ukuthi wena ingane zakho azikuhluphi. Akajabuliswa ukuthi wena awukazi ubalise ngomyeni wakho. It's not ukuthi khona into wrong oyenzile. It's not into wrong emfrustrateayo. Omunye umuntu frustrate ukuthi why is your life so great? Omunye umuntu frustrate ukuthi why are you happily married? Omunye umuntu ufrustrate ukuthi why you sibanibani ehlezi clean emsebenzini. It's not ukuthi ugqoka izinto ezintsha. No. Uclean, and that frustrates umuntu. Yabona ithandwa zami, isidalwa esiwumuntu asisweli into esizokuzondela yona. Write that down. Make that your word. Umuntu akayisweli into azokuzondela yona. A person doesn't need any reason to hate you. Some people don't need any reason to hate you. Umuntu akasidingi isizathu sokukuzonda. Umuntu akasidingi isizathu sokulimaza. Umuntu akasidingi isizathu sokudicilela phansi. Umuntu akasidingi isizathu sokulimaza. That's just a reality of life. Khona umuntu nje akakwazi uzothi usibanibani unemali, and only to realize akanayo imali ukuthi uclean. Lokhu anakho uyakunakekela, and so it looks new because they take care of the little thing they have. Kodwa isidalwa esiwumuntu does not need any reason to hate you. Does not need any reason to cause you harm. Does not need any reason to do all sorts of things to you. But what I want us to dispel is the concept ethi ngimenzeni. And I wish uNkulunkulu angasiza sisuse leyo mqondo, leyo mcabango kuthina. Because a great number of people are stuck in that concept. Ngimenzeni, what have I done? Well, the answer is possibly nothing. Ayikho into wrong oyenzile. Ayikho into harmful oyishilo. And look at this lawyer. He stands up to test Jesus. And Luke is very adamant. He stands up to put him to the test. Why? We don't know as yet. Now, the second point engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. He asked him a question. He says to him, Master, what shall I do to inherit eternal life? What must I do? Jesus is so powerful. He throws it back to him. He says to him, what is written in the law? You are a reader of the law. You are a lawyer. What is written in the law? What do you think? What should be done? Yabona ithandwa zami, kunento ekumele singayikhohlwa. And ekumele siyiqonde siyazi. Akusiye wonke umuntu okubuza umbuzo odinga impendulo. Not every person who asks you a question is waiting for an answer. Akusiye wonke umuntu okubuza umbuzo olindele impendulo kuwena. Some people are going to ask you not because they expect an answer per se, not because they do not know the answer per se. Their questioning is far more deeper than you giving them an answer. They already know the answer. Kunabantu abazoza kuwena bakubuze umbuzo. Wena awazi ukuthi by answering that, bakufaka ogibeni, they are entrapping you. By answering that, sebebatshelile abangani babo ukuthi khululeka mina ngizomenza akhulume. Kunento ithandwa zami abantu abayenzayo and abantu abanye abayiqondi. When you think you are answering honestly to this person, awazi what they will take and use against you by what you answer. So there's a basic principle for me. You don't have to answer every question. You don't have to answer every question. Awudingi ukuphendula yonke imibuzo. Yabona, let me make a typical example. Usemsebenzini, whether usebenza kwi-open floor plan or une-office or nisenkantini or wherever, and someone makes a comment, or you hear people talking about certain things, abakhulumi nawe, bakhuluma ngawe, but not nawe. Why is there a need for me, for you to answer that? Asikho isidingo sokuphendula leyo mibuzo. There is absolutely no need to answer those things. And so you realize ukuthi kahle kahle thina ekumele ukube ngabe siyakwenza, ekumele ngabe sikhathaza ngakho, is to stay in your lane and do what you deem important to do in your own lane. Yona nto uNkulunkulu mina engimbona esibizela yona. Yona nto uNkulunkulu mina engimbona esifunela yona. Yona nto uNkulunkulu mina engimbona esikhanyisela yona. Into eyenzeka le, just because ihlo lakho selibonile, it doesn't mean your mind and yourself must attend to it. Khona ikhehle lidala elahlezi lithi kumina, ndodana, ungayiphenduli imibuzo ongabuzwanga yona. Ndodana, ungakhulumi nomuntu ongakhulumi nawe. Pendula uma only usubuziwe. But there's also something important in the question. What must I do to inherit eternal life? Maybe let me change the question. What do I need to do to become a better person? Yini ekumele ngiyenze ukuze ngibe ngcono? Yini ekumele ngiyenze ukuze isimo emshadweni wami sibe ngcono? Yini ekumele ngiyenze ukuze isimo nabantwana bami sibe ngcono? Yini ekumele ngiyenze? What must I do? Indibalekile leyonto kumina. What must I do? Yini ekumele ngiyenze? Leyo ngiyithandisa ukuthi ayisho ukuthi yini ekumele yenziwe omunye umuntu. No, but ngibuyisa kumina. Yini mina ekumele ukuba ngiyenze? Thandwa zami, empilweni kunezimo ezibalekile mina ekumele ngibhekane nazo. Mina ekumele ngizilungise empilweni yami. But there's this beautiful answer that Jesus does. What is written in the law? Do you know ukuthi more than half of our problems have solutions? More than half of our problems are not new. So we're not the first one to go through them. We're not the first one to suffer them. We're not the first one to struggle with them. They are not new. They're not. And so because we know they are not new, the answer lies within reach. We just need to dig. We just need to come out of our shells. We just need to work out our way towards solutions. Thandwa zami, empilweni uNkulunkulu usinikeze ukuhlakanipha okudlula ukwazi nokuqonda konke. Sidalwa esiwumuntu, uNkulunkulu usinikeze ingqondo emangalisayo. Ingakho abantu abadala usually say to us, if we can put our heads together, there is nothing we cannot do. Uma singahlanganisa amakhanda. Lento kumina speaks to something important. Asikho isidingo sokuba simonozelelane. Asikho isidingo sokuba sizondane. Asikho isidingo sokuba silwisane. Thina sibizelwe enkonzweni ehlukile kunaleyo. Yabona iningi izinto esingayilungisa if we were to put our heads together. Ziningi izinto ezingalunga if we were to decide never to see each other as enemies. Ziningi izinto ezingalunga empilweni zethu. And it amazes me to see amandla kaNkulunkulu. But then let's take this further. To justify himself, he says, who's my neighbor? Khona abanye abantu bathi belazi iqiniso kodwa fune ukwenzelela. Kepha sona sithanda ukuzithethelela. Sasabuza uJesu ukuthi ubani umakhelwane wami? Then Jesus brings in something absolutely beautiful. This is what he says so powerfully. A man was going down from Jerusalem to Jericho, and he fell among robbers, who stripped him and beat him and departed, leaving him half dead. Let me just sit with that. A man was going down from Jerusalem to Jericho. Along the way, he fell among the robbers. They stripped him, they beat him, they left thinking he's dead. What does Jerusalem represent for me in my mind? It represents indawo kaNkulunkulu. That's where the temple is. That's where the presence of God resides. He leaves Jerusalem and he goes down to Jericho. Usuka entabeni yase Jerusalema wehlela eJericho. Zimbili izinto engibukayo lapho. Eyokuqala usuka endaweni ephakemeyo. Uyodla einyaweni zeingulube. There's a principle you must probably align yourself with. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop down to what you were never created to become. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop down to what you were never created to become. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop down to become what you were never created to be. That's your word for today. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop down so low to be a person you were never created to be. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop down so low into a person you were never meant to become. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop down so low into becoming a person you were never meant to be. Ungavumi izimo zikushintshe. Ungavumi abantu bakushintshe. Ungavumi nendlala nokuxakeka nosizi lukushintshe. Uyabona khona abantu, they were loving people, but for some reason they are no longer loving. They are bitter, they are angry, they're frustrated. No matter how desperate you are, you must never stoop so low to become a person you are never meant to be. Ngikibuka le ndoda isuka from a place of honor, a place of grace, into a place of disgrace. And yangihlupha leyo nto ukuthi ngifike kanjani la. How did I allow myself? Ngivumeleni. Yabona khona ezinye izinto empilweni othi musuzenza noma usuzenzile bese uthi eish, kodwa Jesu kanjani? Ngivumeleni? Ngiluthwe yini? And you realize ukuthi I was not supposed to have done this. I was not supposed to have done this. You must never stoop so low. That's the first thing for me. The second thing that also worries me, he's living indawo kaNkulunkulu. He's turning his back on God. He is turning his back on his home. Yabona ithandwa zami, khona into engifisa mhlawumbe ukisho yona ibhlungu nyana uma sesihlala nayo siyicabanga. Ingozi lento yokushiya ikhaya ulifulathele ngaphandle kwesibusiso. Ngoba uma sezixaka izinto ngaphandle awukwazi ukubuyela emumva. Noma ngathiwa yikephi la osuka khona, ungaphumi ushaye isicapha, ungaphumi udelela, ubophuma kahle uvalelise. Ngoma uma izinto la ngaphandle sezixaka, awufuni ukulandelwa amazwi owawaphimisela usuphuma egcekeni. Yabona khona abantu abashiya emakubo namhlanje banezingane, badinga umuntu ozobagadela ingane yabo. Uma wabo ukhona ekhaya okumele abe ukhulwa lengane, kodwa akakwazi ukuyigada ngoba indodakazi yaphuma, indodana yaphuma idelelile ekhaya. uthola ukuthi uphume waqasha eduze kwakubo kodwa akakwazi ukuyoshiya ingane kubo, hayi ngoba nakho engadingi. Udesperate umuntu ozomgadela ingane, uyamdinga umuntu ozomsiza, and umama ekhaya kanankinga yokwenza except ukuthi lona waphuma edelelile la ekhaya. Khona omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi uzoswela zaswela imali ye-rent, akakwazi ukuya kubo ngoba waphuma edelelile, akanakho nanokudla, akakwazi ukubuyela ekhaya ngoba waphuma edelelile. Balekile kumina lento ethandwa zami uNkulunkulu asambulela yona. Kumina lento uNkulunkulu ayambulayo imfihlakalo ejulileyo. Now let us analyze what they do to this man. The first thing they do to the man, well, he falls into the hands of the robbers. They rob him. They strip him of everything. Bamkhumula zonke izinto. Now, that sounds very interesting physically. They took off his clothes. But spiritually, psychologically, what harm did they cause? Kunezinto abantu abazenzayo banganaki ukuthi how deep is the wound that they leave behind sebeqedile ngawe. Kunezinto ezithi mazenzeka abanye abantu basale on a superficial level and never really understand the depth of the hurt, the depth of the harm it has caused. Abanye abantu bayalimala, kodwa ukulimala kwabo is not physical. Abanye it is emotional. Abanye it is spiritual. Abanye it is psychological. Bayalimala. And there's nothing we can do about it. But it's a reality that one must understand. It is a reality that one must live with. It is a reality abaphila ngaphansi kwayo. And so lendoda, they strip him bare. Bamshubula ingubo. They rob him of his belongings. Whatever he had got from Jerusalem, whatever he had brought from Jerusalem, they possibly have taken it. So what he gotten has been taken away from him. Mhlawumbe engifisa ukubuza, yini lena empilweni yakho abakuphuce yona? Yini lena empilweni yami abangitshontshele yona? Yini lena empilweni yakho abathema beyithatha wabona usunqunu ungesena lutho? Abanye to a level bethi khona ngizibona ngingesena msebenzi walutho. Those are realities thandwa zami eyilimaza abantu abaningi. Omunye umuntu uthola ukuthi indlela abakhulume ngami nayo ingilimazile. Izinto abashilo kumina zingilimazile. Izinto abazenzile kumina zingilimazile. Thandwa zami, I'm not denying ukuthi people are hurting. I'm not denying ukuthi people are not okay. Mhlambe nginombuzo engifuna ukubuza ukuthi uzolimala kuze kube nini? When are you going to allow yourself to be healed of the wounds, of the pain, of the frustration? Mucele uNkulunkulu akusize, mucele uNkulunkulu akwelaphe, mucele uNkulunkulu abe nawe, mucele uNkulunkulu akuthwale. Khona inkonzo yokuthwaliswa nenkonzo yokuthwalwa. Mangisathwaliswa nami ngisabambile, kodwa mase ngithwele nginika konke kuNkulunkulu. Angisenawo amandla okuthwala, ngicela ungithwale. Carry me, go with me, allow me to surrender and admit angisenawo amandla. This other thing that they do to him, having stripped him, bayamshaya. Baningi abantu abalimele, baningi abantu abashayekile. Abanye bethu sishaywe abantu esibathandayo, esibakhonzile. Abanye bethu sishawe abantu esibaziyo. Abanye bethu sishawe ama-decisions esiwathathile. And we have to accept and admit izinto ezishayile. Kodwa kunalento engithintayo, bayitshela ukuthi usefile. Ngihlezi ngithi mina, ezinye zeyibongo zami zithi ngukhwani liyasikwa liyamila. Khwani liyasikwa liyamila. Zibongo zami lezo. Ezinye zazo zithi ngingumafavuke njengedwangabane. Andiyibonge engayithola lezo ngisakhula. Khwani liyasikwa liyamila, mafavuke njengedwangabane. Ziqhubeke-ke nezinye engengayixoxe okwamanje. But kunale principle engiyithandayo and ngiyafisa si-applye empilweni zethu. Abantu abangaqedi nje ngawe. Iba ukhwani liyasikwa liyamila. Abathi bona bayitshela ukuthi they have finished with you, and you must then rise from the ashes like phoenix. Kumele ufunde ukusukuma sebeyitshela ukuthi bacindezele. Kumele ufunde ukusukuma beyitshela ukuthi sebeqedile. Kumele uyifunde khwani liyasikwa liyamila, mafavuke njengedwangabane. Now, for those who do not understand what that means and what that implies, ikhwani nedwangabane utshani, hlobo lunye lotshani noma leyitshalo eyimila eduze komfula. No matter kuthiwa ukusika kangakanani, hlezi kula. Bayitshela abantu ukuthi sekufile, bayitshela abantu ukuthi sekuphelile, bayitshela abantu ukuthi we are done. And you soon realize ukuthi that becomes the pattern of life, ukuthi ngeke ngife, ngeke ngiqedelwe kanje, ngeke kusale kube nje. And that's a principle engiyibona uNkulunkulu eyenza. Bayitshela ukuthi usefile. Thandwa zami, kunabantu ababone imoto yakho ilayishwa, bayitshela ukuthi oye akasenawo amandla, they've repossessed the car. Kunabantu abazoyitshela ukuthi awusimbona usibanibani what's the word, esexoshwa emsebenzini, and they will tell themselves ukuthi akusekho esingakwenza, usegodukile, xoshiwe emsebenzini, izingane zakhe ikhishiwe esikoleni, umyeni wakhe uyamdivorsa. Ngifuna ukuthi mina, let that not be the last image, scenario on your mind. And isithembiso to yourself nakubantwana bakho, angeke ngihlupheke abantwana bami besaphila. Angifuna abantwana bami bahlupheke. Ingakho ngithi angisoze ngahlupheka abantwana bami besaphila. And you soon realize ukuthi uzovuka sekumnyama. Uzovuka sebekufake ngaphansi kwetshe. Uzovuka sebeyitshela ukuthi baqedile. Ngiyayithanda le ndoda, bayitshela ukuthi ifile. Lalela kwenzakalani. Now, by chance, a priest was going down that road, and when he saw him, he passed by on the other side. Likewise, a Levite, when he came to the place, he saw him, he passed by on the other side. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwena sithandwa sami, kunabantu abazokubona ebebe ngakusiza. There are people who will see you. They could have helped you. But abakusizanga. Uyamazi umuntu othe nemali esandleni, kube khona umuntu oxakekile akanaso isinkwa, and lo muntu angakuthengela isinkwa and it won't cost them much, but anqabe. Khona abantu ithandwa zami abahlupheki because usiza lukho. Luhlupheka because thina esingabasiza asifunanga ukubasiza. Khona imndeni exakekile not because usiza lukho. It's because thina esinawo amandla okubasiza asifuni ukubasiza. Khona abantwana abangabuyelanga esikoleni kuyoregister. It's not because imali asinayo as family. No, sinayo siyiphuza every weekend. Asifunanga ngoba asifuni ukubabona laba bantwana besimama, ngoba ngifuna ukubona udade wethu abantwana bakhe beba wutho, umfowethu abantwana bakhe beba wutho. I'm ready. Yazi khona uhlobo lwabantu bangakunika ibhola lemali, hamba othenga anything oyifunayo as long as sizoyidla, sispende iphele. I'm happy. I can take you to holidays. I can feed you. We can feast. We can go and party. I'm willing to spend thousands on you. Akungicele nje ukuthi awu ngisacela ungiphi imali ngifuna ukuqala ibhizinisi lezinkukhu zamaqanda. Singaba izitha. I'm willing to spend thousands on you, over 30,000, 50,000. Besathi nje ngicela unginika nje u5,000 kune course engifuna ukuyenza yokuyofunda ukuthunga, kune course engifuna ukuyenza yokuyofunda ukubhaka, kune course engiyoyenza yokufunda ukwenza inzipho. I'll never. Why? Because I'm willing to spend money on you as long as we waste it. I'm not willing to spend money on you that will build you up. When I thandwa zami, ubomnaka umuntu othanda ukuspenda imali kuwena. Ubomqaphela umuntu othanda ukuspenda imali kuwena, ebese uyayibuza ukuthi hlobo luni lwespending. Khona omunye umuntu uthi I can spend anything on you as long as we waste it. Nidle yonke into, niphuze yonke into, niye kuma holiday nama vacation na yonke into, bekuwo Valentine, bebenza yonke imgilwi ngane le. Akucele nje imali, simple to upgrade yourself. Simple. Just to upgrade yourself. And akwenzeki. Why? I'm willing to spend it on you. No, I'm willing to waste it with you. I don't believe ukuthi you should be within my range. I don't believe ukuthi you should be my equal. I don't believe that. Kunabantu who are like that. Kunabantu who are like that. Mfundisi kaNkulunkulu, umpriest kaNkulunkulu lingod. Kunabantu who says uSibanibani uright beneath me. uSibanibani ngiright naye so long as ecela kumina. uSibanibani ngiright naye so long as kuyimina ohleze igrot man. Wena osithengelayo namhlanje, wena oletha ukudla namhlanje, wena osenzela ukuthi hayibo khona abantu who take offense. Hayibo even nasemakhaya umuzwe umzali ethi ngeke ngondliwe ingane mina. Hayibo, what's wrong if ingane ikhombisa ukubonga isithengela ilunch? What is wrong if ingane ikhombisa ukubonga isithengela isapha? What is wrong if ingane ikhombisa ukubonga iphatha something ekhaya? Hayi mina ngisoze ngondliwa ingane, hayi mina ngisoze ngobani. So khona abantu by nature abafuna ukubona usimama. Now ngibuka laba priest nabakwalevi. My God, angifuni ukushumayela ngabantu esithi bayakholwa. Angifuni ukushumayela ngabantu esithi bagqoka okhololo. Angifuni ukushumayela ngalabo bantu. I thought wena nje uzongisiza. I thought ukuthi mase nginawe I'm safe. I thought ukuthi kuzokwenzeka konke kube kuhle. Ngicindezelo wena. Ngizitsho wena. Ngilinyazo wena. Hayi. Yazi kunabantu empilweni asikaze sayitshela ukuthi they could be counted among our enemies. Kunabantu empilweni asikaze sayitshela ukuthi they could be counted among abantu abangasifuni. Uyamazi umuntu othi mefikile kwakho umnikeze ukhiphe konke, adle konke, ajabule, uzumpakishele uthi mi mfethu, mi dadewethu, mi ma, mi baba, mi Sibanibani, hamba nakho. Uyamazi umuntu omthanda ngenhliziyo yakho yonke, omnikeza konke, oze uyibuze uncamela ungabi nalutho, usaluthethiswe endlini ukuthi wena makuye kwafika nje labantu bakini, makuye kwafika nje labangani bakho, makuye kwafika nje oSibanibani noSibanibani. Uyamazi umuntu onjalo. And only to realize you're not culprit elimazi impilo yakho. Isizwe likaNkulunkulu abapriest beyidlula bambona. Make no mistake, it's not ukuthi abambonanga, bambona. Uyamazi umuntu enihlala naye, nihleka naye, nikhulume naye izinto, kodwa mase se boardroom uyena ocindezelayo. Ubezwe bethi laba abanye, well Tina, we don't know that person very well, but so and so, you seem to be quite close with so and so. You seem to know so and so very well. Don't you think this person will do well in this position? I believe ukuthi this person should be promoted into this position. But so and so, what's your view on this? And you the first one to say, no. This person does not deserve this. No, this person cannot do this. And we all ask in the room, but why? And you give us information that is irrelevant. You tell us things that are irrelevant. Wakwababona abantu bephuma kwi-board meeting, boardroom, bekubiza ubizwa o-CEO no MDs, ubizwa namanye ama-execs, ethi Sibanibani, let's have a word with you. Ebese kubuza umbuzo owodwa ukuthi napa ngani noSibanibani? Why ngakufuni kangaka? Bese uthi umngane wami lowo, hayi niyangixabanisa, hayi niyangiqhatha. Bese kuhlebelo yedwa ukuthi uyazi bese kune position esifuna ukukunika yona, but usibanibani is the only one who's against it. And izinto ayishoyo uthi, and these things are damning. Uyakwazi ukulinyaza umuntu obumthembile, obuhlala naye, obudla naye, obuyitshela ukuthi impintshi yami le. Abantu abaningi banokhwe abangani babo empilweni. Banokhwe abantu abaspend ama-weekends nama-vacations nabo. That's why you must never mix pleasure with business. Work must be work. Home must be home. Can't take abangani basemsebenzini uzoba introduce ekhaya lakho. Qaphela hlobo luni labangani oba introduceayo, because ngelinye ilanga isidalwe siwumuntu sithandwa sami sinesilwane esithi angifuni ube ngcono kunami. Write this down for me. Isidalwa esingumuntu sinesilwane esithi angifuni ube ngcono kunami. Isidalwa esingumuntu sinesilwane esithi angifuni ube ngcono kunami. Isidalwa esiwumuntu ke leso. Ayangifuna abe ngcono kunami lo. Phela mase ngcono kunami uzoyitshela ukuthi ungcono, uzothola imali engcono, uzohlonishwa kangcono. Isidalwa esiwumuntu nje sithandwa sami sinaleso silwane. Asifuni nje ukukubona ungcono kunaso. Isidalwa esiwumuntu ke leso. Asifuni. And you must accept it. Because sonke sinaso leso silwane until we deal with it. Until we come to terms ukuthi ngeke ngiphathwe isilwane. Kodwa isidalwe somuntu nje sinesilwane sethi angifuna bengcono kunami. Now something touches me. Now, but a Samaritan, as he journeyed, he came to where he was. When he saw him, wathi membona, he had compassion. Abapriste nabakalevi bambona babaleka. Kodwa lona waseSamaria wathi angambona wamdabukela. Wathi angambona waba nomusa. Wathi angambona wafuna ukumsiza. Wathi angambona kwakhona inseko, kwavuka ukuthi hayibo phela mina ngumzali. One day I was in the CBD and it was raining. It was raining terribly. And so this young man came from the streets. Labafana bahlala emgaqweni. Came from the streets. I think he was picking up ukudla lapha emgqonyeni. Came from the street and he came towards us and edlula. And he was standing here and khona lo munye umama omthuka. Umama uthuka lengane leyo umfana. Wamthuka nje wambiza ngaphansi kwegate, wambiza nje ngazo zonke izinto. Ngabuza enhlizweni yami ukuthi umthuka wenzeni? Uzumthuke nje wenzeni? Ngokuthi uthatha ukudla emgqonyeni wadlula wazokhosela la isikhosele khona nathi akavumelekile ukuzokhosela la ngoba nakho liyanetha izulu. Wamthuka to a point wazobaleka futhi umfana wabuyela emvuleni. And kwafuka kumina ukuthi but ma wami nalo uzalwa inkosikazi. Hey. Thandwa zami, uyazi khona isisho sesiZulu esithi ithuna lendoda lisendleleni. Kahle kahle ithuna lomuntu lisendleleni. Ngingavuka namhlanje ngingene emotweni ngithi ngiyemsebenzini. ngingabuyi kubantwana bami. Ithuna nje lo muntu lisendleleni. Ingakho amaRoma abanomkhuleko ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyakufa. Kodwa ngazi ngiyofana noma ngiyofelaphi noma ngiyofa kanjani. Ingakho isintu sithi lithatha osemsamo limphosele eminyango. Osemnyango limsondeze limfake emsamo. Lo mama uma emthuka lo mfana enhlizweni yami kuyavuka ukuthi wenzeni. Yini lengaka lo mfana seyenzile azathukwe akhacwe njengenja. Akaqhumanga ngitsheni. Ingane yenkosikazi naleya. Ukuthi yini eyadala ukuba angene emgaqweni angazi. Angazi. Kodwa kwesinye isikhathi siyababukela phansi abanye abantu. Kwesinye isikhathi siyakhohlwa ukuthi nathi singa-enda apha sisemgaqweni. Hayibo thandwa zami, hayibo asingalokho sikhohlisana. Are you aware ukuthi very few people have more than one houses? Very few people. Iningi lethu sinomuzi owodwa. Sinekhaya elilodwa. Iningi lethu. Mangasane namhlanje ushe umuzi wasekhaya. Ngizola laphi? Mangasane namhlanje ushe umuzi wami, mina nonkosikazi, mina nomyeni wami nabantwana sizolalaphi? Solalaphi? Ehlotsheni for isikhathi singakanani? Ubani ozosakhela lo muzi? Asikho isidingo sokuqhosha. Ungaba ne-mansion nakho konke. Very few people bafaka insurance bayikhokhela for imizi yabo. Masane lo muzi sithabatha esikhulu esingaka sigingqwe umlilo. Ngizolalaphi? Very few people banemizi more than one. Impilo yomuntu ingaguquka noma inini. Ungabona umuntu namhlanje uselimele akashoni, hlale ku wheelchair. Akasasebenzi. Umuntu ebesiphila ngaye. Sivuka ekseni akasakhuluma. Sivuka ekseni sefa uhlangothi. Thandwa zami, impilo le. Impilo yahlonishwa. Yangithinta mina lo mSamaria. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wambona and had compassion. Wambona and had compassion. And for me, it's something absolutely powerful. Do we still do that? Do we still have compassion? Sisenawo yini umusa? Now, this is something he does. He went to him, he bound up his wounds, pouring on oil and wine. Wamsula amanxeba. Ngiyayithanda leyo nkonzo. Wamsula amanxeba. Endibalekile kumina leyo nkonzo. Besibadinga abantu abazosula amanxeba. Besibadinga abantu abazoba nomusa. Besibadinga abantu abazoselapha. Nathi futhi besidinga ukubelapha abantu bakaNkulunkulu. Siyabadinga ukubasiza abantu bakaNkulunkulu. Yazi indlela enza ngayo. One day I will take this verse and I will unpack healing. How umuntu ongakulimazanga is able to heal you beyond your expectation. How umuntu ongakulimazanga is able to sit with you in your own wounds. Akugeza amanxeba maqedane akugcobe. One day we need ukuthi sikhuleke sicela uNkulunkulu asivusele abantu abangeke basinyanye ngamanxeba ethu, abangeke bajabule ngosizi lwethu, abangeke bahlekise ngokuhlupheka kwethu. Ngelinye ilanga soke sihlale sikhulume ngaleli verse, le ndoda isuka la ebigibele khona yehlela phansi ukuzikwazi ukumsiza. And we will talk about the need to come off my high horse, as it were, to come and forget about my status, as it were, to come to a level so that I can help you to rise to something bigger and better and greater. Kuna lenkonzo amenza yona. Then he set him on his own animal and he brought him in an inn and they took care of him. Wasuka phe kwembongolo ayeyigibele or imule ayeyigubele, wakibelisa yena, wathi ngiyafuna kuba wena ogibela la, khona ngizokuhambisa uyothola usizo. Siyabadinga abantu abazosenzela leyo nkonzo khona uzothola usizo, khona isimo sizoba ngcono. Indiyangithinta inkonzo yalo baba. Akamazi kodwa ubona isidalwa esingumuntu akakwazi ukusiba. And that's something so deep. Akamazi kodwa ubona isidalwa esingumuntu and akakwazi ukusiba. Yabona umusa nalowo muzwa empilweni, ubonga uNkulunkulu. Angikwazi ukukushiya ulimele kanje. Angikwazi ukukushiya uxakekile. Angikwazi ukukushiya wedwa esitobhini uzolinyazwa zigebengu, ngizokulindisa. Angikwazi ukukushiya emakhandleleni ushonelwe, ngizokuhlalisa uze kufike umndeni wakho. Angikwazi ukukushiya nesidumbu emgaqweni, ngizokulindisa kuze kufike usizo. Eyithandwa zami, we sometimes forget the basic human African element, ubuntu. Angikwazi ukukushiya wedwa. Now something touches me so beautifully. Verse 35, the next day he took out 2 denarii, he gave them to the innkeeper, saying, take care of him. Whatever more you spend, I will repay you when I come back. Mnakekeleni. Mnakekeleni. Makukhona okunye endinga ukwenza kwenzeni, mina ngizomkhokhela. Yabona kunabantu abahlezi bentshontsha isibusiso sikaNkulunkulu by doing good, by being good, bantshontsha isibusiso sikaNkulunkulu. Akamazi lo muntu kodwa uthi take care of him, and if you have more expenses, don't worry, I will repay you on my way back. Then Jesus asked, which of the 3 do you think proved to be a neighbor to the man who fell among robbers? He said, the one who showed him mercy. And Jesus said, you go and do likewise. And that's a beautiful command. Hamba uba nomusa. Imagine if today we decided every day, I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. Imagine if every day we made that our motto. I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be merciful, I'm going to be loving. I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. KLM. I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. Your KLM, and it becomes a code. Where's my KLM? I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. Imagine if we made that our motto and we lived by it. KLM. I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. I promise you, we will live in a better world. That's all I need to do. And I just applied the KLM principle. And I ask myself every day, and imagine if I teach this and I make this the values at work, a practice with my kids. Imagine if I did this. And we say today, this week, this company, this work, this family, we are going to apply the KLM principle. I'm going to be kind, I'm going to be loving, I'm going to be merciful. And every time I am not able to do that, you are supposed to challenge me. Where is our KLM principle? And we call this a KLM code. You're not being kind today. What's wrong? You're not being loving today. What's wrong? You're not being merciful. What's wrong? It's a KLM code. I'm going to be kind. I'm going to be loving. And I'm going to be merciful. Amen.